Okay, done. Shall we start? Okay, great. So we already have finished this case statement, right? Any doubt in case statement? No doubt, right? So let's start with these some functions. The first function is the order by. Second function is a group by and having. Third function is a except and intersect. Fourth function is a union and union out. And last function is a ranking function. Okay. So let's start with this order by. These are the system defined functions. Okay. These are the system defined functions. Okay. So when there is a request from business or order by, suppose I'm having one table, and in that table I'm having employee IDs. Okay, and those employee IDs are not ordered properly. Like those are not even in ascending order, or those are not even in a descending order. While inserting the details in the employee table, randomly they got inserted. For example, suppose I'm working in a startup company and suddenly we hired 1,000 employees, and we three people are working on that particular employee table, and we three people divided our work, and I said that okay, first 300 entries you do, next 300 you, and last 300 I will do. So simultaneously we are entering, right? So the first employee details will be entered by her, then second, like 301 will be entered by her, 601 will be entered by me. So how the sequence I'm getting there? So the at the first record, I'm getting employee ID 1 records. In the second, I'm getting 301, and at the third, I'm getting 601. Like this way, we inserted data for all 1,000 employees. Now I want to view my employee table. Now while viewing the employee table, if I'm getting data like 1301601, then 2602, then 302, it is not properly ordered, right? Is it ordered? No. So then that time what we can do, I can use this order by clause. I can use this order by clause, and in the order by clause, we can arrange given data in a ascending or in a descending order. We can arrange data in a ascending or in a descending order. So the order by clause in SQL helps us in achieving this. The default ordering mechanism in SQL is ascending order. Means suppose if I am now suppose I am having one employee table like I told you earlier, and I want to order by the salaries. If I'm writing only order by salaries, then default mechanism in SQL is ascending order. So by default, we'll arrange all the salaries in ascending order when I'm using only order by followed by the column name. And if I want to view it in a descending order, then I need to explicitly mention DESC. DESC means descending, and ASC means ascending. So why we will use order by? To arrange the data in a ascending or in a descending order. Okay. By default, which mechanism is there? Ascending mechanism. And if I want it in the descending order, then I need to explicitly mention order by name of the column followed by descending. Okay. So we can have sorting applied on one or more than one column in the table. We can apply this order by to more than one column to the table. The second column is only used when the first column sorting returns the same value. That means suppose two employees are having 1,000 salary. Two employees are having 1,000 salary, and I'm ascending by descending. Sorry, I'm sorting by descending order, for example. Now both are having 1,000 salary, right? So which one to take first? Which one to take second? Now SQL will not think much. It will take automatically because 1,000 both are same values. But suppose what I want to do, if it is like if there are two values common, then I can apply ascending or descending order by to the some other column, and accordingly the second column will come in picture. But when second column will come in picture, when first column sorting returns the same value, then only second column will come in picture, else second column will not come in picture. If the first column is having all the unique values, then there is no use of second column. If the first column is having some duplicated values or same values, then only it will jump on the second column, and then it will check whether it's ordered by ascending or ordered by descending. Got it? Yeah. So let's start with, so we already have this employee table stored, right? This is my employee table, and I want to arrange, or I want to sort this salary column. So I can simply write select star from employee, order by salary. So now I'm not mentioning here ascending or descending. So if I executed it, then you can see it is arranged by ascending order. So minimum salary is showing first 1,000, 2,000, 2,750, 2,750, 3,000, 3,000, and 5,000. So it is showing minimum salary first, and then it is increasing. Got it? Yeah. So write this, or first understand, then write. Okay. Suppose I want highest salary to be at the first. Highest salary at the first. Then what I can do? Order by salary, I will write descending. Now I am selecting this, I am executing this, and here you can see in the salary column, highest salary got at first. 5,000, 3,000, 3,000, 2,750, 2,750, 2,750, 2,000, and 1,000. Now you can see here there are two values. 3,000 is a twice present in the salary column. Now I'm ascending, like I'm arranging it in a descending order. Now these are the 3,000, and if you see here, I'm getting employee ID 6 first, then I'm getting employee ID 3 here. Now 2,750 is here 3 times. First I'm getting 7 employee ID, then I'm getting 8 employee ID, then I'm getting 5 employee ID. Do you see any correlation? There is no correlation. So whenever we are getting same values in SQL, SQL will arrange, like it will not think on anything. It will just simply arrange it. Any value it fetches, it will return it. Now what I want to do here, suppose any column or any values I am getting here twice, or the same values I am getting, then I want to order them in a ascending order of employee ID. That means you can see 3,000 is coming at first. Okay, 3,000 is coming at first, and then 3,000 here coming at second. But for first 3,000 employee ID is 6, for second 3,000 employee ID is 3. For 2,750, three values 785. So there is no sequence here. So what I want to do, if I am getting the same employee IDs here, then I want to arrange it by, sorry, same salaries here, then I want to arrange employee ID in ascending order. Then what I can do, I will explicitly define here employee ID ascending, and I will execute it. Now you can see 3,000, initially 6 was at the top, now 3 is at the top, and then 6 at the second. 2,750, initially 5 was at this 8th place. So now as I arrange employee ID in the ascending order, so whenever I will get the same values in the first order by column, then it will jump on the second column, and then it will check the second column's sequence. In the second column, I'm asking ascending order. So employee ID 5 I got first, then 7 I got, and then 8 I got. Got it? Okay. So now write this example. Okay, done. Shall we go ahead? Yeah. So next here, we can also sort data using the column position or index in the select. This is not ideal way. Case when the select statement is altered might be bad for this kind of sorting. That means what we are doing here in this example, we are taking column names and then we are giving the sequence, whether it is to be arranged in ascending order or in a descending order. Now, instead of giving these column names, we can even give their position or index in the select step. Like if I view my employee table, then in the employee table, first index is for employee ID, second index is for, third index is for fourth and fifth address. So what I can do, instead of giving this salary, I can simply use salary column index 4. Instead of using this employee ID, I can simply use its position or index 1. Okay, but it is not recommended to do. Why it is not recommended to do? Suppose in near future, what I did, I added one more column here before salary. Suppose if I added here employee full name column by concatenating employee first name and employee last name. I altered my table. And by altering my table, at the fourth index or fourth position, I added employee full name. Or suppose what I did here, I thought, okay, let's not have this salary column, remove the salary column. Then what will happen if I'm giving the position index there? If suppose in future I added new more column here, column number fourth as employee full name, then what will happen whenever now I was using 4 for the salary, fourth position for this salary column, but in future I will get at the fourth position employee full name. Or suppose if I drop this salary column in near future by some reasons, then what will I get? Instead of this 4 index, this add salary column is dropped. So this address column will come at fourth index. Now, will I be getting the proper insights? Will I be getting the proper data in the output? No. So that's why we can sort the data using column or position index, but this is not the ideal way. And why it is not the ideal way? Because cases when the select statement is altered, like when we will alter this table, that time we will not get the proper sorting of the data. Got it? Yeah. So that's why it is not ideal to sort data by using column or position, like position or index of that particular column. Got it? So let's see how we can sort it. The same example we will take. So now I'm not selecting star. Star means I was taking all the columns. So I don't want to see all the columns. I'm selecting the particular column. So select. First I'm selecting employee first name. Then I'm selecting salary column. Then I'm selecting address column. And then I'm selecting employee last name column from employee table. And I want to order by the third column. Now, which one is the third column? Hmm? Let me see here which one it has selected. Address it has selected. Okay. So now the third position I have given to. Now the first column is a employee first name I'm selecting. Second column I'm selecting salary. Third column I'm selecting address. So here the third index will be given to this address column, because while selecting I'm selecting address at the third position. Or if I selected star here instead of this, if I selected star, then at my third position which column will be there? Now I executed this, employee ID, employee first name, employee last name will be at the third. But what am I doing here? I am taking column names. So in the column names, the third position I have given to the address, and order by 3 descending means address I'm ordering by the descending, and if I'm getting the same addresses, then I'm ordering the first column in ascending order. First column is a employee first name, then I'm arranging it in a ascending order. So let's view this first. After viewing, you can see the address column sorted in a descending order. U comes at the last, then India, then Australia, right? So USA, there are 3 employees from the US. There are 4 employees from the India. There is 1 employee from the Australia. Got it? So now as these 3 employees are from the USA, as these 4 employees from the India, these are the similar values we are getting in a one column. So how these values are getting sorted? There is no logic here. There is no logic. So to give the logic, I'm giving one in ascending order so that it can, if I'm getting the same values here, then it will arrange it in a ascending order of this employee first name. So this will arrange first, then it will jump on the employee first name. Now in the USA employees, all 3 names starts with the John. So John is there. In Indian employees, Dinesh comes first, then Kumar, then Ravi, then Santosh, and at that Australia Smith. Got it? So write this. But is this advisable to do? No. We will always use the column names. Okay. Sorry.
Suppose we just want to be highest value, so we just order by descending, but we don't want all the value, we just want one value.
One value. Then we can use top, I think. Top clause we learn, right? Top clause, top 5, top 6. We have learned. You can give the error. Max statement you can use. Max. Uh, let's see. I will tell you. Okay.
So I saw one example, in that example, you limit, like limit and one.
Limit to 1. Okay, let me check. I will tell you. Okay. Yeah. Select star from employee where salary is equal to, we will select maximum salary from the employee, so we will get the maximum salary. Suppose if you want minimum salary, I will write here minimum salary. Okay, so record for the minimum salary. Got it? Done? Okay. So how it sorts in ascending or descending order for numeric data, for alphanumeric data, for alphabetical data, and for special characters data we will see. Okay. So now suppose if I am having some integer values, and in the integer values I am having some numbers like 12, 25, 35, 0, and 1. Now while arranging it in ascending order, it will start with 0, then 1, then 12, then 25, then 35. While arranging it in the descending order, it will take first, then 12, 1, and 0. It is as simple as that. Suppose if I am having some negative numbers here. Now, let me give it minus. How it will arrange in ascending order? Minus 30, minus 5, 0, 1, 12, 25, and 35. But when we are working with this integer data type, okay? Yeah. Now suppose if I am having varchar data type here, varchar data type, and I am having suppose ABC, AAG, BBA, and BSC. So how it will arrange in ascending order? AAG, ABC, then BSC, and then BBA. Means first it will check for the first alphabet A. Now A is common. After that it will jump on the second. Now in the second A and B, A comes first, so it will take AAG first. Okay. Then it will take ABC. Now then it will jump on the B. Now in the both, B is coming at first, so it will check with the second position. So here A comes before this B, so it will take BSC first, and then it will take BB. Now same if I want to arrange in a descending order, then first it will show BBA, then BSC, then ABC, and then AAG. Got it? When it will follow when there is a data type is a varchar data type, and I am having only alphabetical values for alphabetical values. Now we know that varchar data type can take special character also. Can take or not? Yeah. Even varchar can take numbers also. Means in the varchar, I can pass the values like suppose I want to store my email ID, then I can write it in the varchar. Can I write or not? Yes, I can write it in the varchar data type. Means varchar data type can take alphanumeric values plus some special characters it can take. Now suppose this is the venkatj19@gmail.com I pass there, and I want to arrange it in a ascending order. I want to arrange it in a ascending order, then which value it will take first? Which value it will take first? Special character it will take first, or alphabetical value it will take first, or numeric value it will take first. Okay, let's see that. Now, one logic we need to understand. Suppose I am giving data type as a varchar, and if suppose I am passing their numeric data, because varchar can take numeric data also, right? When I'm giving the integer data type, I cannot give alphabetical values. But if I'm giving the varchar data type, I can take numeric values. So suppose if I'm giving employee ID column name, and in that employee ID column name, I'm passing data type as a variable character, and I'm giving length as a 10. And in the employee ID, I'm passing 1 and 11. These two employee IDs are there. Or suppose if I'm passing here, 111 is there, then there are some more values. 333 is there, 222 is there. So how it will arrange? Suppose I'm passing these many values, let it remove the ascending or let it be. Suppose in the employee ID, I'm passing 1, 2, 3, 11, 22, 33, 222, 333, 111. And suppose here I'm passing a value like 4 I'm passing, here I'm passing 56, then here I'm passing here suppose 12, okay, 12 I'm passing. So these are the values I'm passing in the employee ID and data type is a varchar. Then if the data type is a varchar, suppose this was the data type as an integer, then it would have arranged like it would have take 1 first, then 2 first, then 3, then 11, 22, 33. Now let me change this sequence because the sequence is for the alphanumeric values. Okay. Okay. Suppose these are the employee IDs, and suppose the data type is integer. Data type is a integer. Now this is the varchar. I'm having data type stored as a varchar, and suppose I consider this data type as an integer. And suppose if I'm arranging in ascending order, then which values it will take first? It will take first 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 11, then 12, 22, 33, 56, then triple two, then triple three, then double one, then double two. When the data type is an integer, but now data type is a varchar. So in the varchar, it will treat them like a alphabets. It will treat them like a alphabets. Means what was happening here? I was treating them like a alphabet. So what it did, it will first check for the A, right? If A is common, it will jump on the second value here, and then it will compare this second value. Same logic it will use on numbers also. If the data type is a varchar, if the data type is a varchar, that. Oi, Jadu, where are you looking at? What am I teaching here? To you I am speaking. Black hoodie. Varchar. Okay, then and focus here because this is important. That's why I'm spending this much time. Else I would have told, okay, this happens like this. Okay. Then come and sit at front. There are empty chairs, right? Okay. So suppose it is a varchar data type, then how it will work? It will check for all the ones first. It will check for all the ones. Like here, it was checking for all the A's at the first position, right? So in the varchar, in ascending order, it will take this 1 at the first, then it will take 11. Got it? It will not jump on this. It will not jump on this 2. Why? Because data type is a varchar, and when varchar data type was here, it will check for the first A, If A is common, then it will check for the second value and then it will arrange it in a ascending order. So same way it will treat to these numbers. So after 1, it will check for any other value that is starting with 1. Which value is there? 1, 11 and 12. So in 11 and 12, it will check, okay, second value is 1, here second value is 2, so it will take 11 first. Okay, then it will check any other value, 11, sorry, here is a 12 and double one, double one. Now here it will check 1 is coming at first, it will jump on the second. Here 2 is coming second and here 1 is coming second. So it will take at the third position, double one, double. Got it? Then it will jump on this 12. Now after 1 it will look for 2. Then it will take this 2 here. Then any other value starting with 2. This is 22 is there. Then triple 2 is there and there double 2 is there. So it will take this 22. Then it will take this triple 2. Then it will take this 22 and 22. Now it will look for 3. So 3 will take. After that, any other value? There is a 3, 3 and 3, 3, 3. It will take 33 and triple 3. Okay. Now it will look for 4. So it will write first 4. Then any other value starting with 4? No, right? Then it will jump on this 56. Got it? So how this will, like this way it will arrange varchar data type if we are inserting numerical values in the varchar data type. Any doubt in this? Okay. In interview, many times interviewer will ask you to check your basic knowledge. Then don't say that, okay, sir, it is numbers. So first it will take 1, then it will take 2, then it will take 3, then it will take 11, then 22, or 3 after 4, and after 4, 11 and 12. Don't say this. If it is a data type is integer, then it will be arranged in ascending order like this. If data type is a varchar, then it will be arranged in ascending order like this. Same goes for the descending order. It will check for the highest value first. Then it will, if there are two highest values together, it will check for the second data. Got it? Any doubt in this? No doubt. This is the hot question will be asked in the interview. Then there are some special characters. So this hash is a special character. This explanatory mark is a special character. This @ is a special character. Then and, then this dash, then this star. If suppose I am having these many data types, these many special characters like exclamation mark, then hash, star, @, then dash and all, then how it will arrange it? For each special character, do you know ANSI? What is ANSI? ANSCII. What is ANSI? ANSI is a American Standard Code for Information Interchange. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So what this ANSI has done, ANSI has given a position or index to these special characters. And according to that position or index, it will arrange in ascending or in a descending order. Suppose I am having these many special characters and I want to know that how it will be arranged in ascending order. So we need to understand their position. Now, if you want to calculate manually, then you need to understand the position. But if you want SQL to arrange it in ascending or descending order, it will arrange automatically because it is stored in the SQL. So let's see what is the index given for this exclamatory mark. So I'm writing here select ASCII, American Standard for Information Interchange or Exchange? Interchange. Okay, information interchange. And then I will execute this. Then you can see this exclamation mark is having 33 index. This hash is having okay, select. Okay, I will select them together. Okay. So this hash is having 35, @ is at 64, and is at 38, then dash is at 45, and then star is at 42. So if I want to arrange them in ascending order, then which one will come first? This exclamation mark come first, then hash will come, then and then at the rate, and then which one? Star and then dash. Got it? So it will arrange it in a automatical way. But we need to understand that how the sequence has been given here. Okay. So let's create one table so that I can make you understand. So create a table called as insert, give column ID and pass data type here, integer, and then I'm passing some values here 1, 2, 3, 11, 12, 22, 44, 222, and these many values I'm passing to create this table. Create this table. You can pass some other values also. No problems, okay? Okay. Now, if you see that this table, if you view this table, select star from InShot, then you can see these many IDs we have inserted. Okay. And now, suppose if I order by it in ascending order, then which values it will take first? Okay, let me pass just a minute. I'm giving data type here as a integer, right? Okay, so I can pass only numbers. Okay. So which value it will come first? Minus 13, then minus 10, then minus 5, because data type is a integer here. Okay. And if I am arranging it in a descending order, it will take triple two at the first, then triple one, then double four, and at the end you will get minus 5. Minus 5 or which? Minus 13 will get. Okay. Now suppose I am giving ID as a varchar data type, and in the varchar data type I am passing numbers, and also let me pass some alphanumeric values. Union all, and also let me pass some select. Let me pass here uh, V. Okay, and union all. Then let me pass here select some alphanumeric values. Some characters. Okay. Union all. Copy the same column, just same table, just change this data type from ID to varchar. Copy the same table structure, change data type from ID to varchar, and give a name to the table as a text sort, because int sort already we have given name, right? So change the name of the table, change the name of the data type, and add some extra values at the end. Okay, what you guys do, let it be the last three values. What you do, first copy the text insert column table, paste it here, change table name to the text sort, and change data type to the varchar, and then add some more values here. Same, insert into text sort, and first add this alphanumeric value with character @hello, then just hello, then H capital and then H small hello, then select @hello, then hash hello 123.45, then 2.46 and minus 10, and then insert it. Okay, just observe here for a moment. I will tell you the logic behind it. Okay, suppose if it is having, if our column is having alphabets plus numeric data plus which one? Special characters, then it will take numeric data first. It will take, while ascending in a, like while ordering in a ascending order, it will take numeric data first. Numeric data means from 0 to 9. Then it will take alphabetical. Alphabetical means it will take first capital letters, it will take capital A to Z, and then it will take small a to Z, and after that it will take the special characters, and special characters by the ANSI. Got it? So this is how it will arrange. Now if you see here, H is capital and this small h is small. So it will take this H capital hello first, because alphabetical first it will come capital, then it will show small. Got it? Yeah. So this is the logic behind it. After creating this table, okay. Just a minute. Just a minute. I got confused here. First, it will take the special characters. If it is a combination of alphabets, numeric values, and special character, then it will first take, what will it take? It will take first special characters as per the NC, and then it will take numeric, and then it will take alphabet. In alphabet, it will first take the capital, and then it will take the small letters. Got it? So this is the sequence of varchar column if it is having alphabetical values, numeric values, and the special characters values. Okay, first it will take the values that are starting with the special character. So in this whole table, it will start with the special characters first. Hash hello, @hello, and this hash hello. Got it? Yeah. And this hash and this exclamatory mark, it will take it by the NC sequence. Okay, so this is the logic here, just understand it. Tomorrow we will start with this group by clause. Okay, is there any doubt in this order by? Any doubt in this order by clause? No? Okay, then let's meet tomorrow and we will see this uh, next clause, group by clause. Okay, thank you so much for joining this class. If there is any doubt, you can let me know.